Dear students, in previous lecture we have already discussed first three cases for the image formation by convex lens. Now in this video lecture we will start at case number 4 when object is at between C and F. C means center of curvature and F means focus of the lens. So suppose there is a convex lens and this is the principal axis of this lens. Now suppose that there is a center of curvature C2 and this is the focus F2, secondary focus, and the primary focus is here F1 and the center of curvature is C1, like this. Now we want to put the object between C2 and F2. Then you know very well this plane is the optical plane and this point is known as optical center O. Now if there is a object, so the ray of light will go parallel to the principal axis, then after the reflection it passes through the focus of the lens. And in next condition, if any ray of light passes through the optical center of the lens, then without any refraction it will pass away. So at which point these lines will intersect to each other, at that point image will be formed. Suppose AB is the object, so image of this object is A dash B dash, which is outside the primary center of curvature. So you can check here, when object is situated between C and F, then the image of this object is formed outside the center of curvature. यहाँ पर बना हुआ है और यहाँ पर एक क्वालिटी ये है, the size of image is larger than the object. Next one, point number 2, this is the inverted image. So I want to write here about the image. Point number first is here outside, otherwise we can write here beyond C1. Second point is that size which is larger than the object. Point number third, nature. In this case, nature of the image is real and inverted. So you can see here the size of the image is larger than the object, and this is the inverted image and also a real image. So point number 5, we are going to discuss case number 5, that is when object is at F. That means ऑब्जेक्ट को हम लोग कहाँ प्लेस करेंगे, फोकस पर. So here this is the convex lens and this is the principal axis. Now locate the focus and center of curvature C, that is the secondary focus, and this is the secondary center of curvature of this lens. So in this side, right side to the lens, suppose that there is a point which is the primary focus and next point is secondary primary center of curvature. So C1 and F1 is the right side to the lens and C2 and F2 left side to the lens, and draw the optical surface, and this point will be optical center O. In this case we want to locate object at point F. So if any ray of light is going parallel to the principal axis, after the refraction, it will passes through the focus of the lens. And in next condition, if any ray of light is passes through the optical center, then it without any refraction it will pass away. Now you can see here these refracted rays are parallel to each other, so we can say these lines will not intersect to each other, so we can suppose at infinity these lines will intersect to each other. So about the image हमको राइट करना होगा, तो इमेज कहां पर बनेगा इसका? एट द इन्फिनिटी, बिकॉज यहाँ पर ये रिफ्रैक्टेड रे जो है वो यहाँ पर एक दूसरे पर इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं करेगा, सो वी कैन से हियर द इमेज विल फॉर्म एट इन्फिनिटी. ये किस केस में होगा? व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट फोकस. नेक्स्ट कंडीशन इज केस नंबर 6, व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन F and optical center. Now suppose that there is a convex lens and this is the principal axis. Now draw the plane of optical plane. This is the optical center O, and here we want to write or indicate the focus, secondary focus F2 and the secondary center of curvature C2. But the right side to the lens, primary focus F1 and primary center of curvature C1. In this case, the object is between F and optical center. That means optical center is here and F2 is this. So we will put here no. So we can say here, if any ray of light is going parallel to the principal axis, then after the reflection it will pass through the primary focus. But in next case, if any ray of light is passing through the optical center, then without any reflection it will pass away. But right side to the lens, these lines cannot intersect to each other because angle of elevation is increasing. But back side to the lens, if we extend these lines, so we can check at any point these lines will intersect to each other, and at that point image will be formed. So यहां से आपको जो मिल जाएगा, ये जो इमेज बनेगा, that is the imaginary image, not actual. This is the virtual image, not real. So about the image is that point number first, behind लोकेशन इसका क्या है, पोजीशन क्या है इमेज का, behind the object. And point number 2 is size larger than the object. Point number third is nature of the image, that is virtual, that means imaginary, and erect, ये सीधा हो जाएगा, and erect. तो ये कन्वेक्स लेंस में एक ही ऐसा केस है जिसमें हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, इमेज जो बनेगा वो क्या होगा, एरेक्ट होगा और वर्चुअल होगा. अदरवाइज टोटल प्रीवियस 5 केसेस जो थे, 5 केसेस, वो टोटल क्या थे, रियल इमेज बने थे और इन्वर्टेड इमेज थे. सो यहाँ पर आपका इमेज फॉर्मेशन बाय द कन्वेक्स लेंस क्या होगा, कंप्लीट होगा. सो नेक्स्ट हम लोग यहाँ पर चलेंगे इमेज फॉर्मेशन बाय द कनकेव लेंस. कनकेव लेंस से हम लोग इमेज का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. image formation by the concave lens. Point number first, when object at infinity. Now suppose that there is a concave lens and this is the principal axis. Now from the midpoint of this lens draw a plane, that is the optical plane, and at which point optical plane will cut the principal axis, that is optical center O, and we are putting here at infinity the object is located. Now if any ray of light is upcoming from the infinity, that will be parallel to the principal axis, that after the refraction it will be divergent, and like this next one ray which is going parallel to the principal axis, the same thing is it will be divergent, but back side if we extend these refracted rays, then they will intersect at focus F. So we can say image will be formed at focus F, that will be imaginary, and in size, that is point. Case number second, when object is at limited distance. Now this is the concave lens, and draw the principal axis. One more thing you have to remember, that the center of curvature C1 should be located left side, and also primary focus should be left side to the lens, but the secondary center of curvature and the secondary focus will be right side to the lens. Suppose that this is the secondary focus F2 and the secondary center of curvature C2. But why? You can make a comparison between convex lens and concave lens. When this is the surface number first for the convex lens and this is the surface number second. So circle will be, we can make left side for the second surface, but for the first surface circle will form right side. So the center of curvature left side to the lens for the second surface. So we write C2 left side to the lens. But in the case of concave lens, this is the primary surface and next one is secondary surface. This circle is for primary surface first, so we can write here C1 and F1. But in right side this is the secondary surface and the secondary focus and the secondary center of curvature should be right side to the lens in the case of concave lens. So इस केस में हम लोग को जो ऑब्जेक्ट को प्लेस करना है वो लिमिटेड डिस्टेंस पर करना है. सपोज दैट यहाँ पर पॉइंट C1 है एंड F1. इस केस में if we put the object at focus F, then the ray of light is, if going parallel to the principal axis, then it will be diverged. But if we passes it through the optical center O, then without any reflection it will passes away. But if first way, if we extend in back direction, so we can check here these lines will intersect to each other. At this point image can be formed. So इस तरीके से अपने पास there are two regions to complete the image formation by the concave lens. So you have a question. Question number is this case can be exist or not? That is the question. Next वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लोग इस पर डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या ये केस पॉसिबल है या नहीं है. सो आज का वीडियो लेक्चर बस इतना ही. थैंक यू.